What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng ube halaya. I've been craving some kind of Filipino dessert this past few days and napag-isipan ko na gumawa ng ube halaya. Ube halaya in English, I think it's a water yam, or it's called also like a purple yam. Actually, this is going to be my own version because I'll be using a ube halaya or a purple yam in a jar. I don't have the fresh ube, which is much better to use the fresh ube. You traditionally just boil the ube itself and you mash the ube, right? And then after that, you have the rest of the ingredients like the condensed milk, evaporated milk, coconut cream. I don't know if a lot of people use coconut milk, but in my version, I wanna use coconut milk to get it more, to get it creamier, I believe. And so if you wanna learn how to make ube halaya, let's go cook with me. Let's get started. Alright mga loves, here's the main ingredients, yung version ng ube halaya ko. I have this ube halaya purple yam jam in a jar. We need condensed milk. We need coconut cream, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, vanilla extract optional, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1/2 cup of cheese, and it's also optional. So okay, let's cook and let's get started. Alright guys, kumukulo na po yung yung coconut cream natin. Now we have to add the ube halaya, the one in the bottle. I'm going to put everything in one can. This can is 340 grams. Pagluluto po ng purple yam, you have to be patient adding mixing all together, and just to make sure yung apoy is only in the medium heat para hindi po masunog. Ihahalo natin. Mas maganda po kung meron pong fresh na ube, then you just have to steam the ube, and then when it's done, you just have to smash it all, and just like a mashed potato or mashed ube. So, ihahalo lang natin ng ganyan. Pag na-dissolve na yung ube po sa coconut cream natin, pwede na nating ilagay yung evaporated milk and the condensed milk. So, halo lang ng halo. Yung iba naman, if they make ube halaya, they use ube coloring or something like that, an ube extra flavoring. natin na ubusin lahat. There's still some amount inside the jar. Yan. I know it's not thick yet, but there will be transformation later. It's gonna take some times making ube halaya, guys. I couldn't tell if this gonna take 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. It depende sa consistency ng ube hanggang sa maglapot siya. Now we can add 1 cup of the evaporated milk. Any brand of condensed milk, guys, and evaporated milk will do. So now, guys, it's boiling and you could see the texture started getting thick. I think it's time for us to put now the condensed milk. I'm not gonna put the whole can, at least probably 3/4 of this. It should be good enough. Some people, they put sugar in it. I think putting a sugar, it's also an optional. So halo lang ng halo. You just have to make sure na hindi masusunog yung bottom part niya. Kaya you have to keep stirring it. Dapat may pasensya po pag gumagawa ng ube halaya because you know, you just have to make sure that hindi masusunog yung sa ilalim. Alright mga loves, this is the consistency of our ube now. As you could see, it's very sticky. It should be like that, like a paste. And I literally been stirring this for like 40 minutes, I guess. And I think it's about time to put our butter. Adding a butter, it's good. It will add more taste to it. And then, para makintab yung ube halaya natin. So, just like that. And I recommend, guys, if you're making ube halaya, try to use a non-stick pan. See, parang sumasama na siya pag ini-stir ko. Like that. Alright guys, I think this should be done. Papatayin ko na yung apoy. And I'll be right back when it's cold and I will show it to you. Alright guys, here's the finished product. So I tried to put some cheese on top. It's only optional. It's up to you if you want to put cheese on top or not. It turns out good and yummy. I hope you guys learned something in this video today. Please don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe so you will be notified each time when I upload a new video. So See you guys. Bye!